Hey friends, so having a little competition here. I want you guys to comment in the comment section and let me know which pumpkin you think is best. Actually, you can kind of see it. So this is my helmet, and the ETPC is right here, and that's it like that. So I thought it looked kind of cool. Not a great, like the pumpkin wasn't really symmetrical, so it was kind of tough to do. But I thought it turned out all right. See in the mirror there, the back part, and the cuts in the side, and the ears there and stuff like that. So I thought it turned out kind of cool. Let me know in the comments. There's number one. Here is candidate number two. And this is kind of a Minecraft looking theme here, I guess. Number two. Here is number three. Got some extra stuff coming out of the mouth there. Kind of a neat looking little design. Number three. All right, here is number four. So it's kind of got the Wi-Fi looking eyes going on there. And just a little bit of a mouth. Pretty neat. Let me know what you think. Who's the winner, guys? Inquiring minds want to know.